What is happening, you guys? Fishfoot back with another unboxing review. This time I have a Mag Pro R, Mitchell Mag Pro R, and it's the 1000 size. Now I did a review on the 4000 sizes before, and I didn't like it. I think I gave it like a 5 out of 10. So, and this is the smaller version. Maybe it'll be better. We'll see. Let's see what's in the box. Yeah, nothing fancy, just, some washer here. Yeah, looks like a nylon washer, some sort of plastic. And then, your tree wasting paperwork. Nothing special, but at least the box is tough. Wow. This is a pretty big size for 1000. This is straight up plastic. Oops. The screw-in handle type, which is nice. Now I think these retail for about $100, if I'm not mistaken. About 89 bucks. I picked this one up for about 50 bucks, so that's not that bad. Let's see if I can find some flaws in here like I did on the big ones. As you can see, like a quality issue right there. Yeah. It is extremely smooth, not spinning long time smooth. Alright, so this thumb piece here, very hard, not comfortable at all, but the shape feels just right in the hand though. And you got that cutout right there for weight reduction, I guess. There's some gap there. Not much, but there's some there. I guess I can just grab the spool. Come on. Shit. Damn it. Fuck. Come on. Holy fuck. This thing won't come out. Oh. There we go. There's your seal. It's pretty good seal. I mean, it's not cheap rubber. It's rubber, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's kind of thick. I've seen some cheap rubber pieces, but there's your drag stack. See what it looks like in there. Not bad. Cuts my hand a little bit, but not much. On the outside, it doesn't cut my hand at all. My finger. So, braid ready. You see the threads in there. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Bale wires nice and thick. Nice and clean there. This one's a lot better than the 4000, man. The 4000 was terrible. Maybe I just had a bad one, I don't know. See that right there? That's a defect right there. Alright, so this reel here, this Mitchell Mag Pro R1000 size, it is 5.8 to 1 gear ratio, 10 ball bearings, 26.5 retrieve, and 10 pound drag, and the spool is made out of aluminum. So fairly nice reel. I like it better than the 4000, like I said before. It's pretty balanced, as you can see. See the spool there when it oscillate. Oh yeah, the line is 140 yards if you put 4 pound of mono on here. It's pretty heavy for 1000 size, so let's find out. Yeah, so it's 7.5, almost 8 ounces, and it's a 1000 size, so that's pretty heavy. But then again, this is an old reel. I think they discontinued it, so I think it's fair to say that it's not a bad reel at this price. Anyway, you guys, this is out of 10. I'd give this guy, you know, because of the flaw, and I do like this one better than the other one, the 4000 series. So I'm gonna give this guy a 6.5 out of 10, just straight out of the box. Again, guys, this is my opinion, and I'll do after use review. This is just an unboxing, but because, you know, I've handled a lot of reels, and I kind of know what it's gonna be like from the material that's being used and how they put it together. So alright guys, if you like this kind of video, check out my other video, and subscribe if you want. Alright guys, I'll see you on the other side of the lake. Fishfoot out.